Welcome to Play Digital Signage Tutorials. In this video, I will walk you through how to share a playlist with either a member or a team. You can share playlists with members. You can share playlists with sub-teams or any other team that you're a member of. Let's share this playlist. Let's put in the email for the person or member we want to share this playlist with. Then toggle on. Can publish changes if we want the person to be able to publish content. If this is on, then the person will be able to make changes and publish those changes directly to all screens using this playlist. If it's off, then the person can still make changes, but he can't publish them. Instead, the owner of the playlist will get an email saying, "Changes have been made." When that is done, we simply click Add. At the top, we see how many members or teams have access to this playlist and who they are. Let's remove this member and instead share the playlist with a whole team. Open the drop-down, pick your team, choose whether or not the team should be able to publish changes, then click Add. And now we see that this playlist has been shared with the team called San Francisco. When we've made our changes, we click Save. Thanks for watching, everyone.